Treat everyone as equal, man. Your vocation, your work should not decide how you treat somebody. 75 आदमी Black Forest खाते कोई? What a gangster vehicle. So one says the desire to watch good content will never go away.
बना दो थोड़ी सी।
कब नहीं है केतली में?
केतली में डाल दो कि नहा के आ रहा हूँ ना।
आज अल्फी ने ठीक कहा था कि अंदर चाय का सामान होना चाहिए। वो भी आगे बैठ गया था साथ।
चलो तेजू गई मायनिया आई जाना गई मायनिया We is ready. Now let's go pray quickly, then have a cup of tea. It's a cold morning. All over it has snowed. I love how green it is around here.
30% depends upon the person to person. You have to say,
Hey, I just got 2 sessions done back to back in the morning, and that's how the morning has pretty much started. You pray a little. I'll do my part now, and then I'll sit down for breakfast. But I'm definitely very tired. It's a good thing I'm not lifting weights today. I'll do some abs, some body weight stuff.
For breakfast, we're having some guac and eggs. Pretty simple breakfast today.
दे दो जी 40,000 पे डाल दो.
You know, there are not many things I will pride myself on because I know my true self. मैं बहुत flawed बंदा हाँ. But there is one thing that I think I have managed with the grace of God. I truly think कोई भी काम छोटा या वड्डा नहीं हुंदा. I truly think that. Which basically means जे कोई कार आया है, you know, trash लैंड या जो कोई server है या कोई MP MLA है. I'm the same with almost everyone. Respect करी दिया है, टंग नाल गल कर दिया. And if someone's a big businessman, because through my father I've met some very wealthy people, and in my law days also, no extra sort of subservience to them. Same treatment. And andro anda, it's not like I try to. Andro anda. Some people, unade andro anda that I want to bend a bit more for this guy, MP saab aage, MLA saab aage. Who gives a fuck, man? But this is with God's grace. I tend to look at everyone as equal. Same respect. Yes, I like work done properly. Anyway, there was this guy incessantly honking. And I'm like, why are you honking, bro? And he just smiled. Treat everyone as equal, man. Your vocation, your work should not decide how you treat somebody. If someone's being an ass, regardless of what they do, stand up. You know, it's hard to do, man. We are all humans. We're all judging each other instantly. What is he worth? What connections he has? But don't operate that way. If you operate this way and look at everyone from an equal standpoint, you will garner the respect of some very celebrated individuals, and that will remain for a while, no matter what you do, where you are, who you hang out with. Okay, the walk was about 23 minutes. Now I'm going to do hanging leg raises and focus completely on the abs because at 5 p.m. I have a yoga session. So I'm going to focus on that. Now let's do the hanging leg raises. Workout करने जा रहे हो? सौरभ का है? I have finished my workout. Mom is going for a workout right here. That's really something to celebrate. Okay, ji, some work has been getting done. Now let's go grab a coffee with Vansh, who helps me with content. Let's go, vamos. Gaggu hates it when I go from the house. Hates it. Look at him. Chotu. Oh, they are precious. So recently when I parked the car, there was some over-the-air updates happening. And I thought hoga kuch hai. But anyway, now when you come and sit down in the car, it does a very nice chime. Next time I sit in it, I'll record it for you all. But it's actually adding a very nice feeling because you sit down and it goes like, you know, it's very smooth. I'll make you listen to it, which didn't happen earlier. So that happened with the over-the-air update. But I'll tell you one over-the-air update I don't mind. On the useless as hell passenger screen, perhaps some photographs. You know, I can put maybe Gabi, Teddy Ki and stuff. I think that will be a lot of fun. I'm gonna go meet Vansh now for a cup of coffee at the same restaurant. Then I wanna come back and relax. Then I have another workout at 5 p.m. जिसको मैं delay करने की सोच रहा हूँ. But हाँ, ये plan है. This is a very clear winter day post the rains. Looks beautiful, man. Less dusty. That rain was so necessary. 2-4 दिन और बारिश हो जाए. इतनी confident लग रही है driver, पर ठीक है. डर लगता है मुझे ऐसे लोगों से 2-wheelers पे. What a gangster vehicle. Looks pretty nice, doesn't it? Madam Black Forest खा रही है? 75 आदमी Black Forest खाते कोई?
रत्नागिरी ब्लैक फॉरेस्ट.
अच्छा, रत्नागिरी Black Forest. ठीक है. वरना मैडम हो गया था आज. Say hi to Vansh, the man behind the YouTube shorts. Say hi to whatever this woman does.
You're lucky, Karan. You're very lucky.
Why am I lucky? ये फोटो शूट हो रहा है खाने का. Let's go.
Posted on YouTube Shorts, but they're still relevant for YouTube Shorts. That we can do one. And second,
How do we download the reel?
there are too many websites. We can do that easily.
You'll do it, na?
Yeah.
Why don't you download it? The car video did well because of the topic.
Yeah.
Naturally, relatable topic. This mass segment car. And then what has done exceptionally well? This one was surprising. I thought this will never get views. This one, I asked Canva to make it. Canva AI, make me a thumbnail saying this, and it did this. I uploaded this. Got a lot of clicks.
Today, so we can repost it, and there's no harm. Everybody's doing that.
Cheers. आज नहीं आई, ठंडी हो जाएगी तब तक. A billboard is content.
Yeah.
So one says the desire to watch good content will never go away, which is true. But how do you define content? Earlier content was television,
Yeah.
newspapers. Now it's become more of digital media and actually what we do. Tomorrow, what do you think could be content? Some AI-led stuff?
Holograms.
Huh?
Holograms.
Holograms? But long form will never die, I think.
Long form will never die.
हेलो बॉस, आपने मुझे पार्किंग नहीं दी आज.
क्या कर सकते हो, समझ ही नहीं.
तो वही तो बात है.
मना ही नहीं करता कभी.
तो जब पार्किंग होगी तो क्यों मना करोगे, बट जब नहीं है कुछ अरेंज करना इज द ट्रू स्किल. थैंक यू. People hate it when you hook them. That's why people like you're just showing off. Those showing off comments have gone up a lot right now. Because see, I know
Because you
if I say today I went and worked out at the hotel, it's not getting played. But if I show the car pulling up, it's getting clicks. And then I talk about my day. So they're like, you bloody show off and all.
Have you seen that creator who the World Cup video at the start, then talks about coding?
Oh yeah, it gets played. Haven't seen it, but it makes sense. चलो ठीक है. See you. कुछ करते हैं ढंग का. Okay. See you.
We are going together.
So how did you come here? Your dad dropped you?
No.
Misusing government privileges. देखा ये dum? That sounds so nice. I didn't even notice. चलो भाई घर चले. If you can drive manual, why would you take lessons to drive an automatic car?
Because I was nervous and I asked my brother.
Your brother's teaching you.
Obviously, or course.
Then why would you call it a lesson? I thought you went to driving school. वो भी हंस के तुझे वापस भेज देते हैं.
You are so mean, Karan.
How is this mean? You're literally lessons for driving automatic. They'll be like,
Arey, still now the first time you're doing it, you need someone.
हाँ तो don't call it a lesson. Be like, आज मैंने पहली बार automatic चलाई and made a fool out of myself. Terrorized people on the road and scared 2-3 people.
This is mean. This is what I'm talking about.
Bloody hell.
And I was saying you're lucky because I am very patient with you. Because one day my patience will run out and then you'll get to know.
अगर मुझे कुछ हो गया तो आप सबको पता है कि ये
होगा
क्यों
नहीं,
हुआ.
I'll dish you back.
Oh, you'll diss me back?
Yes.
You try.
No, because when I do that now, then people get offended. And
No, diss me back. It's okay.
okay, now it's on YouTube. If I say anything, you've got to be okay with it.
I mean, I won't be okay. I'll diss you back again.
Then I'll dish you back.
Cool. बच्चा रो जाएगा. अब हम बैड करते हैं इसका.
क्या?
हेलो लव. हे लव. उसको काची कर दो उसको. शाम होड़ चली है हुण. Now it is a time for a workout. Let's do our evening workout now. I used to take regular sessions, but then I stopped for some reason.
Okay, no, if it's mobility has to be worked upon no matter what kind of movement you're doing.
Yeah.
Even yoga is not enough. Like I always say that if you're too much flexible, it's not good for you.
Oh yeah?
Yes. A lot of people do have injuries because they are too flexible and they lack strength. So
Yeah.
overly flexible people don't really are not fit enough. Very good.
That was
Almost there. I think once you refine your posture while you're sitting in Malasana, that would do a lot more better. Yeah. Let your chest up a little more. Gently straighten up your back. job. Lean forward, chest forward, side change.
हाथ कहाँ लगे?
रात में तो मैं पकड़ में गिर जाऊंगी अगर मैंने हाथ पर रखे तो
पीछे सपोर्ट तो है.
So you're towards your community, towards work, and even fitness. Then third thing would be your love towards God. I really admire that and how you vouch and you get to, you have the trust on scriptures. You refer a lot from the scriptures.
Yeah.
So I really take away these three things.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. ठीक है जी. See you soon then.
yeah
Yes.
it was a good session thanks
Evening snack is looking dope. Hi Toti. We're going for a drive. चलो जी. आपने इसमें ये नया फीचर देखा?
क्या? मुझे
ये
इस गाड़ी
आवाज़
के
आती
फीचर्स
है।
तो पता ही नहीं।
ये आवाज़ आती है अब. Okay, something I was talking about. It has a personal decorative image option. तो ये डाल के देखेंगे कि क्या होता है. तो ऐप पे करना पड़ेगा. लेट्स सी क्या आती है, देखेंगे थोड़ी देर में.
मर्सिडीज की तरह 10 लाइटें हैं उसमें। बन्नी को यही तो पसंद है, कितने कलर चेंज हो सकते हैं।
पापा ये आप घंटा घर की बेइज्जती करते हैं बनेगी हम मर्सिडीज
उसने मुझे 3 टेलीफोन किया, मैंने टेलीफोन नहीं उठाया इसका।
क्यों किधर सब
This is what happens when you get
मम्मा आई थिंक
a slightly heavier engine. Fuel.
it's seriously good I love it
देखो जी, वैसे तो मैंने दिखाना नहीं था ये बहुत गाली देते हैं लोग. फिर मैंने सोचा अब डरना नहीं चाहिए ऐसे.
live your life your way
Live my life. एक दिन जरूर छड्डांगे, that's for sure. Because देखो जी, suffering तो है, killing तो involved है, that is for sure. So एक दिन छड़ देंगे. Today is just not that day. बाकी consumption बहुत काट करती है आपा. Anyway, see you all tomorrow. We'll be in Delhi. But thanks for the support. Thank you boys and girls. See ya.